The site is a school. Old toilets on the site were being refurbished. There was a school garden with gravity-fed solar irrigation. A kitchen next to the school will house the stoves. There were already 2 wood rocket stoves, and the purpose of this project was to reduce wood use. Critical to success is ensuring the users know their future responsibilities and what they can expect.
The same applies to that one. It's exactly 1 meter 530.
An appropriate design is made and the site is measured out. 5 artisans were trained on the project and they were selected because they were already skilled bricklayers.
So that's our digester. And that one is our outlet. I've made it deeper in order to accommodate the gradient. This is our center. We have put these pegs for the 150 mm. So this is deeper.
A step has been dug between the smaller outlet chamber and the digester chamber. The gas pipe comes in from the back of the kitchen. Bricks and cement are used to create a raised base for the 3 gas stoves. The base is smoothed off and the gas line fitted, along with a tap. Outside, a trench has been dug for the gas pipe. Meanwhile, others have been laying the brickwork for the digester. A cement base, curved like an inverse dome, will also be laid. Temporary brick pillars are put in place to support the dome, as well as a temporary wooden structure.
This is our floor.
The inlet from the toilets.
Ring beam.
Oh, concrete ring beam.
Yes.
Right. That to support the dome?
Yes, to support the dome. So there is a cavity up there.
We're climbing out of the digester through the outlet chamber, which hasn't yet been built.
If you don't mind, you can walk on the temporary dome. Can you feel? I'm walking on top of it. The sand, then we'll lay the bricks, then the concrete will come on top of it.
So you put this sheet that they're making on top of the wood?
Yes.
And then
the sand.
Sand.
Then we lay the bricks on top of the sand.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Why? Ah, so it's strong, so it supports
You have
it.
to make it strong.
Yeah. Okay.
Because it can explode with the gas.
And then once it's set, you remove these pillars underneath.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everything will be removed.
How long does it take to cure, like the cement and the bricks?
Yeah, it will take 7 days.
Okay.
To cure. Then thereafter, we'll move the temporary support.
Okay.
To the kitchen.
So the inlet, is here on the right, and then the gas pipe will come out the top.
Yes.
Down that trench.
So it will come straight onto the center.
The gas pipe?
The gas pipe.
Okay.
After...
How can it rise higher than the level of that?
Because of the pressure.
Ah, okay. Ah, yeah, okay, so that's connected, and there's a pressure from the weight of the faeces in the toilet coming down from the toilets. Concrete was poured with wire mesh inside, also to strengthen it, and a gas pipe and tap fitted. Then we can climb back in from the outlet chamber to see how it looks.
So the whole of this area is going to be plastered and skimmed.
You put the sand in the bottom here?
Yes, for curing.
Ah, okay. And that helps take the moisture from the concrete, that's the type of inverted dome at the bottom. That's the gas pipe?
Yeah, I closed it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
That's just to stop getting particles and things in it?
Yeah. The waste will come up to here.
Ah, right, okay, so just before the dome starts.
So this is the gas portion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just explain that? This was the top layer of bricks.
Yeah. On top of the ring beam.
Yeah.
We built bricks.
Yeah.
On edge.
Yeah.
And there was a cavity in between. That cavity has helped us to pour in more concrete to hook the dome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so behind that layer of bricks,
Yes.
that's where the cavity was that, we were looking at previously.
Tomorrow I'm going to plaster this thing as well as skim it.
Okay.
Then the other day I'm going to remove the sand and clean it.
Okay. Yeah.
Then after some days I'm going to do the painting.
Is it just a black paint or is it special?
No, it's just black paint.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and that helps to keep the heat in, so
Yes.
from the heat from the bacterial type of action. The outlet chamber is then completed. And here we can see the top dome of the digestion chamber. So what is that for? For the manure at the back.
That's for the manure.
So they'll take it out of the out of here and then
Because you cannot take it from here.
yeah,
You have to take it from that side.
right. So it's basic storage for the manure.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it like composting as well.
Yeah.
Okay. A toilet will be built over this inlet pipe, and there's a concrete basin to place cow dung, both leading to the digester. The concrete slab is actually the outlet chamber. An open compost silo leads from the outlet chamber, connected by a short pipe. The gas tap above the digester is now protected by a concrete access chamber. If we lift the lid on the outlet chamber,
from the outlet to the compost chamber.
so it goes directly from...
Yes, from
I didn't realise.
They're full.